Folks, for the longest time I've needed an air compressor. I've been wanting one. So I got this little bitty Blue Hawk air compressor. You see it's just 2 gallons. And I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's in there. The deal is I have my old John Deere riding lawnmower and you can see what's going on here. And every year these tires just need pumping up. I've been using bicycle pumps. I used to have an air compressor in my former life and now in this life I needed one. So this is a small one. Probably everything I'm going to need, maximum 125 PSI. You know, I can probably still drive some nails and stuff with that. So it's a little kit. Let's see what all's in here. I think it has a little nail gun and everything with it. It shows here what should be in there. Let's take a peek. Okay, so I've semi-unboxed it at this point, and you can see it comes with a nice little hose. I don't know how stout that's going to be. Over here's the manual that came with it. Here's the gun, which looks like it would shoot, you know, at least enough little nails for hobby stuff, wouldn't it? It's not a big nail gun, but this might be actually okay to drive. I actually have a nice air-powered nail gun that I might be able to use with that. Here's some of the little fixtures that come with it. I'll be able to surely inflate the tires on my truck and tires on the lawnmower. So that's it, the Blue Hawk. And it has little suction cups for feet. Check that out. So I guess you could put it on the floor down here and it would suck to it and not dance all over the place. You can see here the PSI bars here. So okay, I'm going to read a little bit of instructions and I'm going to start this baby up. And we're going to pump up the tires on that John Deere. I've just done the simplest configuration here. I screwed this thing on. And of course this is just like any other air compressor. You push that in, you can delete or pull that thing there out. So there, we're good and attached for that. I'm gonna plug it up. Let's see how it works. Got an on button back here. And hopefully, we've got this all turned over this way. I'm gonna let it get to about 60 pounds or so before I start to inflate the tire over here. See if it will work. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pop this tire. Oh, that's plenty tight. Good job, little compressor. Excellent. So what you have to do, I'll show you, is this side builds the pressure. This is your output over here. So what I did, I had to turn totally back over this way to start, so it built up here. Then you turn it back over this way. I guess it goes from one tank to the other, so I've got an output now of about 30 pounds. So these tires are a little bit squishy too. I'm gonna go ahead and do them as well. Right now I can press them in pretty good with my foot there, you can see, right? All right, let's do this. Oh, and presto, very hard tire now. Excellent. Very, very squishy. Much less squishy now. A little bit more. That's the best those tires have been pumped up since I've had this John Deere. Excellent. Okay, so I've turned it off now. And I've let out the air, I think, for the most part. Okay, sweet. So that little guy works great. I'm really well inflated on all these tires now. Hopefully this one's not going to go flat on me again. Very solid indeed. Yeah, this was squishing in really big a while ago. Good and tight now. I still might go a little tighter on that one though. Very cool little air compressor though, at least so far, preliminary test.